खड़े हैं और सैनिटाइजर मांग रहे हैं, जाके मांगते रहो। हमें सैनिटाइजर चाहिए। अब आप तो कहोगे कि आप कैसे अरेंज करते हो, हम यहाँ पर खड़े हैं, आप अंदर से मंगवाओ।
Our COVID ground reports cost us about 7.5 lakh every month. You can help our reporting from the ground. Go to thequint.com, click support the Quint tab, choose a plan and pay.
Had dawned and gone inside to realize that there were a lot of shortcomings, right from unavailability of the soap and sanitizers to the dawning doffing area being almost in the same corridor. The masks which were being provided to us were not of the standard quality, neither were the PPE kits. So the masks being provided were given in open, bare hand. In our PPE kits, the face shields we were being provided was that of indigo. And the point being that each indigo face shield has this inner sticker which can be removed. And that shows that this has this inner sticker, which I'm just trying to remove right now. So this is easily removed, and only after that we wear it. The ones in our PPE kits, those were, I believe, used face shields because they did not have this inner removable sticker. In fact, even these sanitization tunnels were non-functional.
You wrote to CM as well. Did you get any response to that?
None, ma'am, none at all.
Dr. Pratik, you're still working there. Dr. Kritika noticed it on the first day, which was way back on 14th, and today we are talking almost after 10-15 days. So, has there been any change?
There have been some changes, but like working conditions are still poor because we have raised the issue quite many times that there are no DDRs for the doctors. They are 8 to 12 hour shift. So we have raised the issue many times that there should be a DDR also,
Okay.
where we can where we can go after managing the patients. We can have some rest in between the duties, and we can also especially at night, because everywhere, every facility, every place, where every institution where the doctors or where work, they have a DDR. That many times the washrooms, they don't have soaps, and many times they don't have sanitizers, because if we are not provided with the basic facilities, then it's quite difficult to work in those conditions.
I still have a screenshot where I put a message on the group with the JR and consultant Lessa that will not go inside since N95 masks are not available.
Mr. Satyendra Jain came, who's the health minister of Delhi, and we spoke to him especially about the salary issue. So we talked about the night shift, that it should be counted as a double shift, because the next day is totally wasted, and we are there, we are working 30 days a month. But he clearly denied and said that you should not be complaining about all these issues, and you should be working and only serving for the people. Corona cases have declined, we can't be paying you so much, and if and who don't want to work can leave and resign. And if somebody found not to be working, they would be thrown out. Yeah, we were disheartened by listening, by this attitude actually.
कोरोना वॉरियर्स के साथ ऐसा बिहेवियर तो ठीक नहीं है ना कि आप कभी भी बुलाएं और निकाल दें। बीच प्रिपरेशन में पहले ही इतना प्रेशर होता है, फिर एकदम से एग्जाम को डिले कर देना, फिर हमें बीच में बुला लेना, फिर ये निकाल देना एकदम से।
पेमेंट भी क्या उन्होंने कुछ आपने जितने दिन किया?
नहीं, अभी तक कोई पेमेंट वगैरह कुछ नहीं।
कुछ बताया उन्होंने पेमेंट करेंगे?
नहीं, अभी कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
If they are giving a reason that COVID facility pandemic has been decreased and the patient are decreasing, why they got a substitute for us?
घर वाले फिर भी अपोज करते थे कि क्या काम करेगा इस कोविड पेंडेमिक में, हम घर पे रह, सेफ रहे, कोई ऐसा इशू तो था नहीं, बट खुद से था कि करना है। फिर मैंने एक दिन ड्यूटी की जो कि मेरी 14th मई की नाइट की ड्यूटी थी। उसके बाद ये नोटिस आया सडनली कि आपको डिसएंगेज कर दिया है।
Dr. Virender is there. He is 6 feet tall.
Okay.
And I have witnessed many times he is wearing a PP kit that he is not fully covered in his PP kit. Many times there have been issue that doctors has denied that if we are not given a kit that is not covering us fully, we will not go inside. And they have just totally told us, the administration, that if you don't want to come, you don't want to come. You are on a paid leave. So if you'll come, you will be having your salary. And if you are not coming, you will not be having your salary.
आपकी PPE kit छोटी थी आपके साइज से. So what problems were you facing? आपने ये रेज नहीं किया because it's a major risk.
मैं किससे रेज करता? ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैं अपने SR से बात करता था। वो कहते थे कि अगर नहीं है तो आप मत कीजिए ड्यूटी। अब फिर मैं गया हुआ था तो कैसे वापस आ सकता था?
But where on our joining, they've asked us that no accommodation will be provided to you in the COVID area. Despite the CM orders that everyone will get a food and a accommodation doing the COVID duties. After all, I'm coming back from the COVID facility back to my home. My parents are there who are vulnerable to the virus. How can I risk their life?
And I had to take a call to discontinue because coming back home to my parents, it would be risking their lives too.
The instruments which are there, like many anesthetists have told me, they are not that of much standard. They raise that, no doubt, but many people have tired of raising those issues and they have just stopped, or some have resigned, or like they have just led to the situation that we can't help it, nobody's gonna listen.
If the drug is not available for the patient, is it good facility or poor facility?
But whenever there is a new facility is started, there are some concerns, but they should be addressed. They should acknowledge them, and they should take it in a good way, in a constructive way. We are not complaining. We are giving you feedback. All feedbacks are important. And
how, if we are unfit to do our duties, and if we are not comfortable, how can we facilitate the patient?